Why is the brand new heat exchanger producing smoke? What should I do? What should I know? On a startup of a new heat exchanger, you have oil, and that oil burns, it produces smoke. And you need to make sure that when you're replacing a heat exchanger, I've got the top off so that smoke doesn't go in the house. And I also admonish the customer, the homeowner, make sure that they know that it's gonna produce some smoke when I start up that new heat exchanger. So it's no big deal, but if you do not make sure that you admonish the customer, the homeowner, they'll think something's on fire. And if you have a commercial building, a building that has smoke alarms, smoke detectors, fire dampers, you need to make sure that you definitely admonish the administration, the staff, and let them know what's happening on startup so that they're not alarmed. This is a great tip for you as a technician to know. If you want more, check out my playlist, HVAC Tips for Technicians. If you need HVAC consultation, if you need tech support, definitely click that join button. I'm here to help. Put your questions down in the comments, and if you don't have any questions, that's fine. Just tell me who you are and where you're from. I'm here to help. Brand new heat exchanger. I'll show you the old heat exchanger. It's right here. See? And there were some nice holes in this thing. See that? Nice hole. Gas company came out to this house and turned the gas off. Now that I've got the heat exchanger in and it's working properly, I'm going to set my gas pressure. You want to learn how to set gas pressure? Definitely check out my playlist. I've got a video on how to set gas pressure. I'm Tad. You've been watching Tips for Technicians. I'll keep you cool if you let me.